Hello, my wonderful learners. Welcome to the Easy English Podcast Club. My name is Alex, and I am so happy you are here with me today. Take a deep breath. Smile. Feel proud. You are learning English, and you are moving forward step by step. I want to tell you something very important at the beginning. English is not difficult. English is not impossible. English is your friend. And with slow English, learning becomes clear, calm, and possible for everyone. Slow English means we speak slowly. We use short words. We repeat. We give your brain time to listen, time to understand, and time to remember. Slow English is your bridge to confidence. With slow English, you will not feel lost. You will feel strong. Today, we have a compelling topic to discuss. It is the key to fluency. The topic is how to think in English. If you enjoy simple lessons that build your English step by step, please subscribe now to the Easy English Podcast Club on YouTube. Every day you will find new episodes with slow English, motivation, and practical tips. Many learners ask me, Alex, how can I stop translating in my head? How can I start thinking directly in English? This is a very good question. Almost every learner has this problem. It is normal. Your brain wants to use your first language. Your brain says, translate first, then speak. But this makes speaking very slow and challenging. Imagine, you want to say one sentence. First, you think in your language. Then you try to translate word by word. Then you check the grammar. Finally, you say the sentence. This is too slow. In real life, people do not wait. In real life, people speak fast. If you translate every sentence, your brain becomes tired. Your speech becomes slow. You feel nervous. Also, translation is not always correct. Some languages use a different word order. Some languages do not use articles. Some languages use other grammar patterns. So if you translate word by word, your English will sound strange or even wrong. The goal is to think in English, not your first language. When you think in English, your words come faster. Your sentences become natural. You feel calm. You speak with confidence. Do you want to speak faster and more naturally? Subscribe now to the Easy English Podcast Club. I will help you step by step with slow English. At the beginning, translation is natural. Your first language is like a bridge. The bridge helps you cross into English. The bridge is good at the start. However, later, you will no longer need the bridge. You can walk directly on the English road. For example, you see a chair. In the beginning, your brain says chair in my language, then chair in English. This is the bridge. However, later you want to see the object and immediately think of a chair in English without relying on your first language. Many learners tell me, Alex, I know words, I know grammar, but when I speak, I freeze. My mind stops. Nothing comes out. And I say, that is because your brain is still translating. You are still walking across the bridge. Now let us become practical. Let us learn simple ways to think directly in English. 5 powerful tips to think in English. Tip 1. Describe what you see. This is the easiest and most powerful method. Look around you. Say what you see in English. You can do this in your mind. You do not need to speak out loud. For example, I am walking to the shop. I see a tree. There is a red car. The weather is cold. When you are in your kitchen, I am making tea. I am opening the fridge. I am cooking rice. If you don't know a word, that is okay. Look it up later. Next time, your brain will remember. This is how you build your English brain step by step. Tip 2. Think about your plans. Another way is to think about your day in English. In the morning, say in your mind, "Today I will study English. I will go to work at 9. I will meet my friend in the evening." At night, review your day in English. I went to the gym today. I watched a movie. I cooked dinner. It was chicken and rice. You don't need to write. You don't need to speak out loud. Just think in English. The more you do this, the more natural it becomes. Tip 3. Use visual thinking. This is very powerful. When you see something, don't translate. Just connect the picture to the English word. See chair, think chair. See phone, think phone. See spoon, think spoon. See dog, think dog. No translation, only English. If you do this every day, soon your brain will choose English first. Tip 4. Practice shadowing. Shadowing is one of the best techniques. It is also my favorite. What is shadowing? Listen to a speaker, then repeat what they said immediately. Copy the voice, the rhythm, the stress. Don't wait, don't translate. Just copy. For example, if the speaker says, "I am going to the store," you say it right away. "I'm going to the store." At first, shadowing feels hard. That is okay. Keep going. Even 5 minutes a day is powerful. Tip 5. Use English in small daily moments. When you do simple actions, use English in your mind. When you are walking, the sun is shining. The wind is cold. There is a dog. It is barking. When you are cooking, I am washing the rice. I am adding salt. The food smells good. When you are cleaning, I am sweeping the floor. I am folding the clothes. These sentences are simple. They are like the sentences of a child. However, this is the most effective way to learn. Children learn step by step. You can do the same. Now, let us put all the ideas together. You need a clear plan. A plan helps you practice every day. Here is a very simple 4-step plan. You can do this plan daily, and it only takes a few minutes. Step 1. Morning thinking. When you wake up, before you check your phone, before you start your day, think in English for 1 minute. Say in your mind, "Today I will go to work. I have a meeting at 10. I want to study English for 30 minutes. I will call my friend this evening." It is simple. You do not need to use difficult words. Just say your plan for the day in English. You can do this while brushing your teeth or drinking your morning tea. Remember, small daily practice is powerful. Subscribe now to the Easy English Podcast Club. Together, we will make English a part of your daily routine. Step 2. Describe what you see during the day. As you move through your day, take a moment to notice the things around you. Think about them in English. Example in the street. I see a woman walking. She is carrying a bag. A bus is stopping. Example at work. I am opening my computer. I am writing an email. My colleague is speaking on the phone. Example in a cafe. I am drinking coffee. The music is soft. People are talking. You don't need to say these sentences out loud. Just think of them in your head. This habit will slowly change your brain. Step 3. Listen and shadow. Take 5 to 10 minutes in the afternoon or evening. Listen to the English audio and shadow it. You can use this podcast episode or another episode of the Easy English Podcast Club. Listen to me, then repeat immediately. Copy the rhythm. Copy the sound. Don't translate. Don't stop. Just follow. At first, you may feel slow. Maybe you miss some words. That is okay. Shadowing is not about perfection. It's about training your brain. Every day, your shadowing will become faster and stronger. Step 4. Evening review. Before bed, relax. Close your eyes. Think about your day in English. Say in your mind, I went to the supermarket. I cooked pasta for lunch. I watched an English video. I spoke to my brother on the phone. This step is important because your brain retains the last things you do before sleep. If you finish your day with English, your brain will continue to practice while you rest. Do you want more daily English routines like this? Subscribe to the Easy English Podcast Club on YouTube. Together, we will keep English active in your life every day.
If you follow this plan, what will happen? Let me show you. After 1 week, you will feel comfortable with simple sentences. Your brain will start to accept English as a regular part of your thoughts. Maybe only 10% of your thinking is in English. That is a great start. After 1 month, you will notice something new. Your brain will sometimes choose English first. Instead of translating, you will directly say or think the English word. Now, maybe 30% of your thoughts are in English. After 3 months, you will feel more fluent. You will not stop every time to translate. Your sentences will be faster. Maybe half of your daily thoughts are in English. After 6 months, thinking in English becomes normal. You can look at an object or do an action, and your first thought is English. This is real progress. The journey takes time, but you will see results step by step. Stay with me here in the Easy English Podcast Club. Subscribe, and I will walk with you through every stage. To further strengthen your practice, here are 3 bonus methods. Create a small story in your mind using English words you know. For example, a boy is walking to school. He has a book in his bag. The sun is shining. He meets his friend. They talk and laugh. Your story can be short and simple. You do not need many details. The goal is to use English words in your imagination. At night, take a notebook. Write 3 or 4 sentences in English about your day. For example, today I worked in the office. I had lunch with my friend. We ate pizza. It was delicious. Writing helps you remember. Writing also makes you slow down and think carefully. Over time, your sentences will grow longer and stronger. This may seem unusual, but it is actually very useful. Speak to yourself in English. You can do it when you're alone. For example, when you are cooking, say, "Now I cut the onion." I put oil in the pan. The food smells good. You are not crazy. You are practicing. Every word you say makes your English stronger. My friend, remember this. Learning English is not about speed. It is about habits. If you practice every day, even for just 5 minutes, you will see improvement. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are a part of learning. Be patient, be kind to yourself. Every sentence you think in English is a small victory. Every word you use is a step forward. One day, without noticing, you will realize something amazing. You are thinking in English without trying. That will be a beautiful day, and I promise it will come. If you want more lessons like this, please subscribe to the Easy English Podcast Club. Join me, Alex, every day. Together, we will practice slow English, build confidence, and enjoy the journey of learning. Today, we learned why translation slows you down, why thinking in English is important, why 5 powerful tips to think in English, a simple daily plan to use English every day, and bonus methods to expand your practice. Thinking in English is a skill. It is not magic. It is not a gift. It is a skill that can be trained, and you are training it right now. Thank you for listening to the Easy English Podcast Club. This is Alex. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, keep thinking in English. See you in the next episode.